This video is a continuation of the accounting for investments when we are an organization that it buys less than 20% of the outstanding stock. In this particular video, we will be walking through the receipt of dividends for the problem listed above. So our initial transaction was to record buying stock in Hulu Corporation if we're Sparky Corporation, and so we paid cash, they gave us stock. But now what's happening is Hulu Corporation has declared, and they're going to subsequently pay a dividend out to their common stockholders, of which we are a shareholder. So they being Hulu has declared a 95 and paid a 95-cent dividend per share. We own 3,000 shares, and so the total cash we will receive, being Sparky Corporation, is $2,850. Since we own less than 20% of the stock that's outstanding, we record this $2,850 as dividend revenue, which will increase income in the current period for Sparky Corporation. So our cash increases by $2,850. So I would debit cash, and I would credit dividend revenue, and that would be the extent of the transaction. So I'm recording dividend revenue using the cost method. That's it for this part of the problem.